Hi Skin Games, it's Keisha Hamilton from Goodyear, Arizona, and this is week 1 of my new esthetician category.
Hi Skin Games, this is my model Val, and we are going to be participating in the new esthetician category. We're going to be focusing on Valen's cheek area and jawline area, working on minimizing the acne that is flaring on her face right now. So we're really looking forward to what results that we're going to be using. We're going to be doing methods such as microchanneling and chemical peels to get our results.
Valen is 42 and she is on the Fitzpatrick V. She has oily skin and she's presenting with grade 3 acne and atrophic scarring. Primarily on her chin and jawline, as I stated before. She also has a history of Accutane use, which immediately tells me that her skin barrier is compromised. My primary goal for Valen is restoring her moisture barrier. Before I can aggressively treat acne or scarring, I need her skin hydrated, stable, and functioning properly. I want to prevent TEWL and post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. Secondary to that, my goal is to reduce the acne flares and begin healing atrophic scarring by at least 50% using microchanneling, chemical peels, and consistent home care. This case study is about patience, education, and teaching the skin how to heal itself again. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next week.